Welcome to Pools in a Closet. Why a closet? Well, as a stay-at-home dad with 2 daughters, I am the tip of the wagging tail, and the closet is where the tail wags now. My name is Matthew Mackay, and I cover the Northeast U.S. for Myrtha Pools. I wasn't always in the pool industry. My previous career was in finance. I was one of those guys who said buy or sell a stock. During this time, I covered a company called Tetra Tech, which is an engineering company that specializes in water. Their ability to engineer large, complex systems was extraordinary. Myrtha Pools marries my love of swimming with my appreciation for smart engineering to create a superior pool shell system. In this episode, I will focus on the structural components of the Myrtha system to create a swimming pool that is easier to install, ensures high quality, and enables a quick and flexible schedule. Based upon the stainless steel, hard-coated PVC, Myrtha Pools has engineered a complete system to ensure that their pools are installed at the highest quality possible. The system is modular and mechanically fastened together. It is custom designed using CAD or Revit and manufactured in the plant to ISO 9001 standards. The benefits of this system is that once it shows up on the site, it is essentially a large erector set. This minimizes the amount of skilled labor in the field while ensuring the highest quality installation of the pool. It allows for a quick and flexible installation and also eliminates the need for welds of stainless steel that can corrode and plaster that breaks down over time. So the first step of a basic installation of a Myrtha pool in ground is a concrete slab is poured. From there, the perimeter of the pool is outlined and a C-channel stainless steel base frame is laid out. Holes are drilled in the concrete and bolts are chemically fastened to the concrete. This allows for the leveling of the entire base frame at a very early stage. Once the C-channel base frame has been completely leveled, the wall panels are then mechanically fastened on top of the base frame. A strut and buttress system is mechanically attached to the back of the wall system to improve the structural rigidity and ensure that the pool is dimensionally perfect. The height of the walls can essentially be any reasonable height for a swimming pool, depending on the purpose of the pool. Once the wall structure has been installed, a gutter system is then mechanically attached to the top of the walls. Myrtha Pools offers a variety of gutter systems depending on the application of the pool, including a basic skimmer, but also multiple types of rim flow gutters. The gutter system is also mechanically fastened to the entire structure. As you can see, it is attached fairly quickly and easily. Thank you for watching Pools in a Closet. I hope this episode helped you understand the engineered design of a Myrtha pool. The structure comes with a 25-year warranty and offers many advantages during construction, including ensuring the installation is quick, easy, and flexible. In future episodes, I will focus on how the system has advantages for sites with high water tables, expansive soils, and in elevated structures. Please reach out if you'd like this video or would like to learn more about Myrtha. I'm Matthew Mackay.